friends, welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we are going to draw bubbles from Powerpuff Girls, so grab your markers and let's start. First we're going to start with the face. So we're going to make the base for it. So we're going to make a circle like that. And then we're going to draw ears. Okay, now we're going to draw like the hair. So we're going to make a line like that, and we're going to make another line right on this side. Now we're going to draw circle for the top. So yeah, there we go. We're going to make it like that. And now we are going to draw like the ponytails. Just like that. And then connect it. Connect. Okay, now we are going to draw the eyes. So we're going to draw half circle. No, like a full circle, just like that. And now we're going to draw and now we're going to color this. That looks super duper cute. And yeah, now we're going to draw another eye. We're going to come across and draw another line for the bottom and connect it. Just like that. And we're going to repeat the same steps for the eyes. And you can just color it in. That was kind of messy coloring, but forgot the lashes. And done. Now we're going to draw a nose. That almost looks like a sad face, you can say. But now we are going to make the face. Just like that. And that is the face. Now we're going to make the body. So let's draw the neck. Just like a mannequin, you can say. And I'm going to make a line like that. And another line. And you're going to make this curved shape. And we're going to continue to the bottom. Not till the bottom, but like you can like figure it out. And you can connect these. Nice. And now you're going to draw, you know, the pattern in the Powerpuff Girls dress. You're gonna like repeat it. Copy paste the pattern. Also like and subscribe if you want me to make Blossom next. I think it's like most of yours favorite because she's pink and so many people like pink. I love her hair. It's so pretty. Actually reminds me of like crybabies. I always dreamed to have a crybaby, but yeah, my dad said he's gonna get me one. Okay, now we're going to draw the arm. So we're going to make something like that. And oops, we're going to make another one. And I know it's very hard to make the hands, but there. Okay, now we're gonna repeat the same process to make the second arm. That looks sharp. Okay, now we are going to draw the legs. So we're going to draw one like that, and the other one just like that. I know it looks very weird, like yeah, but don't worry about it because we are going to extend it. And this one's like a lot bigger from the bottom. Nice. Now we're gonna make the socks and now the little shoes. So we're gonna do something like that. Sorry, my voice. Okay. Yeah. Now we are going to connect them. Oh my god, my voice was like robotic. Okay, I still can't stop thinking about it. But let's color this. And there we go. That's it. And see you next time for another cute drawing video. Bye for now.